And we're just going to keep Rishabh here to just interpret for me, and I'll go through you, Rishabh, and ask Digvish how much he enjoyed performing out here today.
कितना मजा आ रहा है, enjoy कर रहा है performance को अपनी?
हाँ, बहुत मजा आ रहा है बहुत.
I think he's really enjoying the way he's performing, really enjoying it.
In terms of bowling, does he enjoy more of an attacking role or a defensive bowling role?
जब bowling डालता है तो अटैक करना पसंद है या डिफेंसिव वाला रोल तेरे को पसंद है?
नहीं, मेरी बॉलिंग वैसी है कि मुझे आउट करना ही पसंद है.
He loves to attack the batsman most of the time. He likes to take that wicket, and that really helps him to grow into that role.
His love for the game and for spin bowling, was that derived? Where did that come from?
प्यार कैसे हुआ गेम से तेरे को इतना?
सुनील नारायण को मैंने बॉलिंग करते हुए देखा था, तो तब से मुझे बॉलिंग करना बहुत पसंद है.
I think he takes a lot of inspiration from Sunil Narayan. Since he has seen him, he's been working on the same thing and just looking to make impact like he does.
As he goes forward in this tournament, what will Digvish be doing to always, like Sunil Narayan, have a long career and stay ahead of batters?
आगे टूर्नामेंट में जैसे जैसे चलता रहेगा, और क्या करना चाहता है सुनील नारायण की तरह, या अपने माइंडसेट में और क्या करेगा?
कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा माइंडसेट को और अटैकिंग करना चाहता हूँ मैं, सुनील नारायण की तरह. जैसे वो प्रेशर सिचुएशन को हैंडल करता है, उसमें भी काम रहता है, तो मुझे भी ऐसा ही करना है आगे भी.
I think he wants to grow into the role more, taking that pressure for the team.
Yeah.
He wants to be that guy who puts his hand up and say that I'm going to do it for the team, and he wants to be that guy for us.
You're doing a brilliant job. So I just want to finish on one more question. That wicket, I think it was Namandir, straight after the strategic timeout and the choice of delivery, it looked like a carom ball. Let him talk to us about that.
Yeah. जो रमनदीर को आउट कर रहा है, रमनदीर को तूने क्या सोच के ये बॉल डाला तूने? ये पूछ रहा है. क्या
कुछ नहीं, वो उस ओवर से पहले मैंने आपसे बात की थी कि अपन मिड विकेट ले सकते हैं क्या नहीं, लेकिन मिड विकेट नहीं लिया, तो इस वजह से उसने वो शॉट खेला. मेरे को स्टंप में ही अटैक करना था वो बॉल.
I think over before we had a conversation and he wanted a mid wicket.
Right.
So I said don't take a mid wicket right now. So that's why he wanted to bowl in the wicket that carom ball. So he looked to play on the mid wicket area and like have that gap impacted, and that really worked for us.
Well done to you, Rishabh, and please convey our appreciation and the excitement with which we look at this young man. Top job.
बहुत तगड़ा करा. Enjoy.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you to Rishabh. Thank you very much. Congratulations.